was a queen with fire in her eyes. They wanted her to take the throne, but she said no. All she wanted was a simple life, to be a mom to her little ones. A friend begged and convinced her to help the tiger become a king. She hoped to continue the good things that had started. Little did she know that she was betrayed. He claimed the throne but broke his vow. Empty promises had lingered now. They saw her as a threat, not as an ally. Plotted her downfall by spreading lies. They were fearful of the just she'd bring. They worked in shadows to stop her reign. They drowned in fear of the truth they couldn't